Our story begins in Thailand, at the airport in Bangkok. In March 2007, a meeting was set up between a Chinese businessman, Kevin Xu, and a customer who wanted to buy loads of prescription drugs.
I'm very happy. We can meet together and we can talk about something.
Very good opportunity for both of us.
Yeah. So we can know each other more and then we can do business.
Right.
Xu was hoping to move large quantities of expensive medicines. The problem was Xu's pills were fake.
What's your biggest product right now?
Okay. And
Plavix.
Casodex is used to treat prostate cancer, and Plavix is for prevention of blood clots. What Xu doesn't know is that his customer is actually a U.S. Customs agent wearing a wire, and that the entire meeting is being videotaped at a distance by another officer. We've disguised the identity and the voice of this agent. He was posing as a shady importer who could sell Xu's fake drugs to unsuspecting hospitals and pharmacies in the United States.
Good afternoon, Bloom Pharmacy.
Xu was boldly trying to penetrate the lucrative and well-protected American prescription drug market.
your market
Right,
in
yeah,
the United States.
And I have some customers that I think I can do volume sales on.
We're going into the operations center.
Andre Watson is the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement Special Agent in charge of the Xu operation.
Just by the array of products, it was clear that he had access to manufacturing and distribution capabilities. Mr. Xu was unlike any other person that we had encountered. Most individuals that come on our radar typically counterfeit lifestyle enhancement drugs, drugs such as Cialis and Viagra. In the case of Mr. Xu, he offered a wide variety of drugs.
At the airport in Bangkok, Watson's team of agents set up an elaborate sting operation and hoped to get a rare look inside the Chinese businessman's global operation. And Kevin Xu did not disappoint. He gave an agent a list of 29 branded medications that he could copy. On the list were life-saving drugs, not only Casodex and Plavix, but also Aricept, used to treat Alzheimer's, and Tamiflu, for flu victims. The feds had no idea who was helping Xu, but they suspected it was a group of conspirators who could produce large quantities of phony pills.
Well, tell me something about this man, Kevin Xu. Was he a slick operator?
He was a perfect example of a businessman, well-versed and knowledgeable about the products that he offered, as well as the benefits and the routes to best introduce them into the commerce of that applicable country where they would be used.
But it wasn't the feds that found Kevin Xu. It was investigators from the giant drug company Pfizer. Men like Xu are a threat to patient safety and the corporate bottom line. At this state-of-the-art facility in Groton, Connecticut, scientists used the latest technology to figure out exactly what the fake pills are made of and compare them to samples of real Pfizer medicine.
You can see there's a lot of areas where the patterns don't match, so this sample is a counterfeit Lipitor sample.
These scientists are part of a team headed by John Clark, the global head of security for Pfizer. Many times what Pfizer analysts find inside fake medicine could be poisonous and deadly.
We've seen talcum powder, boric acid, brick dust, highway paint to give it a color, floor wax used to give it a nice sheen so it would look more authentic. Somebody's ingesting something with boric acid, brick dust, highway paint, and floor wax, thinking they're getting medicine.